Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 GMC Yukon XL Denali. This one's the Denali Ultimate, I do believe. Oh, what a massive SUV. I mean, this thing is not tiny in any sense of the word. I'm sorry, Denali Premium. All right. Total price of $85,585, white frost tri-coat, Denali Premium. You have the 6.2 V8, thought so. Oh yeah, this thing is just massive. Love these things. Very rare to get them in inventory lately, just with the national inventory shortage. Tons of room out back, even in the third row behind here. Virtual rearview mirror. Such a nice car, man. This thing is gorgeous. Put it into drive. Actually, no. I do reverse so we can back up. You can see the backup camera. And I hit drive. Let's see, full lock steering. 38 degrees as indicated by the heads-up display. Hill descent control set to 4 miles an hour. It's about a 10-degree slope. And that's the exact same forward and backwards. My co-workers, Brandon, Cheyenne. I was gonna honk at them, but then the photo guy was there. I don't want to know what that just was. Not bad at all. Yeah, I'm beating that semi, I don't care. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.